What's the meaning of coronet? Coronet. Coronet.
Coronet. Coronet. A coronet is a small crown worn by nobles and members of the royal family. It is typically made of precious metals and adorned with jewels or other decorative elements. The coronet is often used as a symbol of high rank or status, and its design varies depending on the country and culture. In some cases, the coronet may also be used to represent a particular family or lineage. Overall, the coronet is a distinctive piece of jewelry that serves as a powerful symbol of authority, nobility, and prestige.